Uy, uy, uy! Teka. Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng auto? O ito, sigurado ako kahit saan ka gumala, lalaban to.
Kahit saan mo dalhin. Kahit rough road pa yan.
Papalag to!
Oh, uwi mo na tong 2023 Mitsubishi Strada GLS Automatic. 53,000 mileage, number coding every Thursday. Naka 2.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Maayos ang interior at naka touchscreen head unit.
Okay, diba?
Sunod, 2022 Toyota Hilux G Automatic, 49,000 mileage, number coding every Thursday. Naka 2.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Fresh interior at naka touchscreen head unit.
Ganda, no?
Third is 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2 manual, 50,000 mileage, number coding every Thursday. Naka 2.2 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Ang pogi ng interior at naka touchscreen head unit.
Pogi, no?
And last is 2020 Mitsubishi Strada GLX Plus manual, 58,000 mileage, number coding every Thursday. Naka 2.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Kumpleto at maayos ang interior at naka touchscreen head unit.
Uwi mo na to. Message mo ko.